Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your REALME C17. So in the first step, open the Play Store and look for the fax app. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. Now pass the setup and allow permission to the files. To show again the 3 credits banner, restart the application. Now choose tap on the plus and choose source of the document. I'm gonna pick something from my gallery, like this photo. Select it and click on the import. Now you can add this shape to your photo, to your picture document. And now you can choose the filter for the photo to make it more visible. If you're ready, click on the accept icon, type the number it displays, choose again from the list, and to send the message just click on this button. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.